Let's determine the value of this special resistor or precise resistor. We will see its resistor value, tolerance, temperature coefficient and power rating. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. First we will identify the band position. If we see this gap and this gap is less than this one, so it is starting end. The second identification, after these two closer bands, here is more distance than this gap, so it is multiplier band. First band green, value of green 5. Second band brown 1. These two are significant digits. Then the distant band multiplier silver 0.01. 51 multiply 0.01, it is 0.51 ohm resistor. Then orange. In normal color code charts, this orange is not present. It is special band, plus minus 3%. Now we will calculate tolerance. Center value 0.51, plus 3%, minus 3%. 0.51 plus 0.51 multiply 0.03. In case of positive side, 0.5253 ohms. If we will calculate in minus, 0.4947. If we purchase this resistor and its value is between these two windows, that resistor is good. Then TCR, temperature coefficient or temp co. Orange 15 ppm per degree Celsius or 15 ppm per Kelvin. If resistor value is 0.51 ohm at 25 degrees Celsius, if temperature will increase 1 degree Celsius, what is the expected change? 0.51, 15, 10 raised to power minus 6, 0.0000765 ohms or 7.65 micro ohm. Will increase or decrease than this value at change in 1 degree Celsius. Let's suppose while working the temperature is reached at 70 degrees Celsius. 70 minus 25, 344 micro ohm. That means 344 micro ohm may increase or decrease from this value at 70 degrees Celsius. So it is temperature coefficient. To check its power rating, below 18 millimeter and below 6.5 millimeter. 18 millimeter by 6.5 millimeter, it is 3 watt resistor. It is 0.51 ohm plus minus 3%, 15 ppm, 3 watt power resistor. It is high current resistor. If you think this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.